Welcome to Aavolate. Aavolate is one of the top electronic instrument manufacturing companies in India, dealing in industrial automation and instrumentation products. Aavolate is founded by Alembica Group of Companies in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Alembica Group of Companies is pioneer and leader in this industry since 30 plus years. Our product range has simple models to accommodate growing class of industrial customers wanting simpler and yet performance-oriented products to satisfy their machine's application. Let's see our product range. Temperature. We have wide range of temperature controllers as well as temperature scanners. In temperature scanners, we have 2, 4 and 8 channel scanners. Temperature Controller series is designed to offer outstanding control performance in a compact package. In temperature controllers, we have PID temperature controllers, standard temperature controllers. Timer. To cater the wide range of industries, we have sequential timers, programmable timers and thumb wheel timers. Counters. Aavolate's counters have 2 types: thumb wheel counters and programmable counters. Process controllers. Aavolate's process controller offer a cost-effective alternative to implement loops with 2 types of controllers: single process and dual process controllers. Special controllers. Aavolate also offers special industry use controllers like flow controller, humidity controller, humidity plus temperature controller, RPM plus speed controller, length controller, weight controller and real-time controller. Slim controllers. Our in-house design team has designed very compact and effective controllers like over and under voltage controller, over and under ampere controller, star and delta timer, forward reverse timer, cyclic timer. Energy. For your energy need, we have wide range of products: voltmeter, ampere meter, volt plus ampere meter, AVF meter, ELR, motor protection devices, MPD. Aavolate offers complete range of your industrial automation need. For more details, visit our website www.aavolate.com or call us on +91 98251 39339. You can mail us on sales@aavolate.com. Aavolate. Aspire Technovations.